I mean, I always tell people, whether it's the Aminos or another one of the drinks, but this is a great one because we're telling you in between meals, when you're like going to get that sugary beverage, if you have this and you mix it with water on ice,
so good.
So good.
Yes.
It's such an easy replacement. And then when you're finished, you feel good. Actually, let me take that back. You don't really feel the aminos. That's another thing that I try to tell people. There's no caffeine. There's no nothing in it that the body just goes, oh, okay, now I know. I've got my energy. I've got my muscle building going on. No, scientifically, that by having those aminos circulating free form, like Lisa said, it's so healthy and so good for us. And by doing so, you'll feel better knowing that you didn't just go into a 30-gram sugar load,
right?
In between, get an insulin spike in between meals. It's just suboptimal. It's not ideal at all.
And again, hydrating.
And you're hydrating.
It's
of
great.
course.
It's good stuff.
Yes, it is.
Okay, so all my moms out there, give me a heart because I feel like you can relate with this one the most.
A lot of moms in the summer break.
Yes. So the appetite control between meals.